Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for watching. I just picked up this Sega Astro City arcade cabinet off Gumtree. Paid $100, it was pretty decent. A lot of people were trying to get it, but I was first in, so I won the lottery there. As some of you probably know, I tend to hoard these in huge quantities. This is number 10 actually, and they're all in my living area. Well, not this one, I've got to find space. Space to put it after I finish doing what I want to do with it. Somebody has done a main conversion to this and installed this piece of MDF and a 19-inch LCD. I'm not really a fan of the aesthetic, so I'll be reversing that and putting the original style CRT back in place, but I'll still finish the main conversion off because they've cut all the wiring and done all that anyway, so I may as well make it a multi-game. I'll be installing an RGB modded TV I've actually got sitting in the other shed, waiting for an event just like this, and I'll be installing a groovy main PC in it and get it going like a beast. So I'll make a bit of a video about that as it goes, so you should like and subscribe and keep track of the progress.